Hey you, yes, you watching this video. Do you feel like your relationship is stuck in a cycle of arguments, misunderstandings, or distance? You're not alone. Here are 5 common mistakes that could be silently destroying your relationship and how to fix them. Lack of communication at talking openly about feelings, needs, or even simple daily events creates distance. If you're holding back, stop. Express yourself, and listen when your partner does the same. Communication is the foundation of any healthy relationship. Taking each other for granted. When was the last time you said, "Thank you" for something small? Forgetting to appreciate your partner's efforts can lead to resentment. Show gratitude. Even a simple "I see you" and "I value you" can go a long way. Avoiding conflict. Sweeping problems under the rug only makes things worse. Healthy arguments strengthen bonds when handled maturely. Don't avoid tough conversations, face them together. Neglecting self-care. If you're not taking care of yourself, how can you be fully present for your partner? Prioritize your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. A healthy you equals a healthier relationship. Comparing your relationship to others. Stop scrolling through social media and comparing your love life to someone else's highlight reel. Your journey is unique, and comparison only breeds dissatisfaction. Focus on what works for you and your partner. Holding on to past mistakes. Are you constantly bringing up old arguments or mistakes? Let it go. Carrying past baggage into the present only hurts both of you. Forgive, learn from it, and focus on building a better future together. Neglecting quality time. When was the last time you spent real, uninterrupted time with your partner? Watching TV while scrolling on your phone doesn't count. Schedule regular dates or even a simple walk together. Undivided attention makes your partner feel loved and prioritized. Keeping secrets. Hiding things, even small ones, can create mistrust over time. Be honest, even when it's uncomfortable. Transparency builds trust, and trust is the glue that holds a relationship together. Expecting your partner to read your mind. Your partner isn't a mind reader. If something bothers you, speak up. Expecting them to just know what's wrong sets them up for failure and leaves you feeling disappointed. Clear communication is key. Focusing only on problems. Do you spend all your time discussing what's wrong instead of what's right? Shift your focus. Celebrate the good moments and acknowledge what's working well. A little positivity can reignite the spark. Letting the spark fade. Relationships require effort to keep the romance alive. Are you still flirting, surprising each other, or doing the little things that made you fall in love? Bring back the fun, excitement, and intimacy. Not setting boundaries. Are you overextending yourself or letting your partner's actions hurt you? Boundaries aren't walls, they're healthy guidelines. Respect each other's limits, and don't be afraid to communicate yours. Relying on your partner for happiness. Your partner can't be your sole source of joy. Create a fulfilling life outside the relationship. Hobbies, friends, goals. A happier you makes for a stronger partnership. Lack of empathy. Are you quick to judge instead of trying to understand your partner's perspective? Practice empathy. Put yourself in their shoes and show compassion. It builds deeper emotional intimacy. Letting routine take over. Has your relationship become predictable? Break out of the monotony. Try something new together. A hobby, a vacation, or even cooking a new recipe. New experiences create excitement and bring you closer. Relationships aren't easy, but they're worth fighting for. Every single mistake we've talked about today is fixable, but it takes humility, effort, and a willingness to grow together. No relationship is perfect, and that's okay. What matters is that both of you are committed to making it work, no matter how tough it gets. If you've been struggling, take this as a wake-up call. Love isn't just about feelings, it's about intentional actions, forgiveness, and daily choices that honor your partner. Start small and focus on progress, not perfection. Now, let's look at this from a spiritual lens. Love is a gift from God. In 1 Corinthians 13, we're reminded that love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, and it is not proud. Love always protects, always trusts, always hopes, and always perseveres. If you want a truly fulfilling relationship, invite God into it. Pray for each other. Pray with each other. Build your relationship on a foundation of faith, because when God is at the center, even the most difficult challenges can be overcome. So, take time today to reflect, pray, and act. A healthy, love-filled relationship isn't just possible, it's promised when you align your actions with God's purpose for your life. If this video spoke to you, Don't stop here. Share it with someone who needs encouragement. Subscribe for more practical, faith-filled relationship advice. And remember, love isn't just something you feel. It's something you do every day. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.